Hey everyone, and welcome to the Health Guide. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how your body actually loses fat. We're going to cut through the noise and get straight to the science. So buckle up because you're about to get some serious knowledge. This video is designed to empower you to live a healthy life and achieve lasting weight loss. So stick with me. Ever wondered where fat goes when you lose weight? It doesn't just vanish into thin air. It's a transformation. This brings us to our first point, the science behind fat loss. It's all about the law of conservation of Massachusetts. Simply put, matter can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. So, fat isn't destroyed. It's converted into other substances. What's fascinating is that the majority of the fat leaves your body as carbon dioxide when you exhale, while the rest exits as water. This means every breath you take during physical activity is actively contributing to weight loss. Amazing, isn't it? Number 2, let's talk about the chemical breakdown of fat. Fat, in its stored form, is called triglycerides. During weight loss, these triglycerides are broken down into carbon dioxide and water. You breathe out the carbon dioxide, and the water is eliminated through sweat, urine, and other bodily fluids. Pretty cool, right? It's like your body is a complex engine that converts fuel into byproducts. This is why staying active and hydrated is so important. Your body needs that water to flush out the byproducts efficiently. Remember, every little step you take contributes to this process. Number 3, oxygen plays a vital role in this process. When you exercise, you breathe more heavily, increasing your oxygen intake. This extra oxygen is crucial for burning fat. It's like fueling a fire. The more oxygen you have, the bigger the burn. This is a key part of how to get fit and stay healthy. Deep breathing exercises or practices like yoga can even help improve your oxygen efficiency over time. It's not just about cardio, but also about developing healthier breathing habits that boost your metabolism and overall health. Number 4, it's all about the balance between fat burning and fat storage. This is where calories come in. If you consume more calories than you burn, your body stores the excess as fat. Conversely, if you burn more calories than you consume, your body taps into those fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss. It's a delicate balancing act, and understanding this is crucial for a healthy life. Learning to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues can help maintain this balance. It's not just about counting calories, but also about nourishing your body with the right foods. Number 5, let's bust some myths. You might have heard crazy things like hyperventilating to lose weight. That's simply not true. The process of fat loss is much more complex and relies on a combination of factors, not just breathing. Other myths include spot reduction, which is the idea that you can target fat loss in specific areas of your body. Science shows that's not possible. It's all about total body fat reduction. Knowledge is power, and avoiding these misconceptions will save you time and effort. Now, before we continue, I want to ask you something. Are you enjoying this video so far? If you are, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and you'll get notified of all our future content designed to help you live longer and stay healthy. Also, if you've heard or tried any of the things we've discussed so far, share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Oh, and by the way, I've also written an ebook called Healthy Eating on a Budget that I'm giving away for free to everyone who leaves a comment on this video. It's packed with 7 days of delicious, budget-friendly recipes from breakfast to dinner, and it's a fantastic resource to help you on your weight loss journey. Number 6, sometimes the scale might not budge immediately, even if you're doing everything right. This is often due to water weight. As your body breaks down fat, it releases water, which can temporarily mask your progress on the scale. Don't get discouraged. Keep going, and you'll see the results. Instead of focusing solely on the scale, pay attention to how your clothes fit, your energy levels, and other non-scale victories. Progress is progress, no matter how small it seems. Number 7, the most effective way to maximize fat burning is to combine exercise with a healthy diet. Exercise increases your calorie expenditure, while a balanced diet ensures you're not consuming excess calories. They work together synergistically to help you get fit and achieve sustainable weight loss. Incorporating strength training and cardio together can amplify results even further. It's not about perfection, but consistency. Every effort counts. Number 8. Intermittent fasting has become a popular topic in recent years. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Some studies suggest that it can promote the breakdown of fat stores. However, it's not for everyone, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before trying it. Also, it's important to listen to your body during fasting. If you feel weak or dizzy, it's okay to adjust or stop. Balance is key when trying new eating habits. Number 9. Hormones play a significant role in fat loss. Human growth hormone, HGH, for instance, helps regulate fat metabolism. Getting enough sleep and engaging in regular exercise can naturally boost HGH levels. Another key hormone to understand is insulin, which affects how your body stores and burns fat. Managing stress levels is also critical, as high stress can lead to an increase in cortisol, a hormone that can promote fat storage. Number 10. Building muscle is crucial for long-term fat burning. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. So, the more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Strength training is a fantastic way to achieve this. Incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet helps repair and build those muscles effectively. It's an investment in your future health and metabolism. Creating a sustainable fat loss plan is all about finding activities you enjoy. If you dread your workouts, you're less likely to stick with them. Find something you love, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or anything else that gets you moving. This is key to achieving a healthy life and staying healthy. Staying hydrated is also very important. Water supports fat metabolism. And don't forget that fat loss and sleep are connected. Getting enough rest can boost metabolism. Lastly, building a support system for weight loss can help you stay motivated and avoid plateaus. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to how your body loses fat. Now, I want to ask you, are you ready to put this knowledge into action? Are you ready to make a change and live a healthier, more fulfilling life? What steps will you take today to start your journey towards weight loss and a healthier life? Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Health Guide for more valuable information on how to live longer, stay healthy, and get fit. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this topic. And remember, my ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget, is free for everyone who leaves a comment. Activate notifications so you don't miss out on our content. We post 6 days a week. Thanks for watching.